Alright you guys, so I'm working with Eva Wigs again, and you guys know they have the highest quality wigs, IMO, in my opinion. So I'm always happy to work with them, and today we are working with a different wig I've never tried before. This is their HD lace wig, and I took it out of the plastic packaging. It does come in a protective plastic packaging with a netting, but I was so excited to see what it looks like, so I took it out. So let me just show you guys the inside construction first. We're gonna go through all these specs. I know some of you guys like that, some of you find it boring. It's fine. The knots are pre-bleached and the wig itself is pre-plucked, so pretty much everything is done for you. Typical Eva construction, immaculate stitching, 3 combs at the top, 1 comb in the back, the bra strap to tighten the perimeter of the hair, and then their custom bra strap, I'm about to start calling it a signature custom bra strap. Their signature custom bra strap that they go ahead and sew on there for you. So for you guys who are always like, oh, I can't do anything, I can't make a wig myself, they take care of everything literally for you. The only thing you have to do is take the 2 pieces that come in the box. There's one that's double hooked. You go ahead and hook that onto one side. Then you can hook the other portion onto the other side. It's like super freaking easy, you guys. It cannot get any easier than this. And then you just connect it to whatever is your comfort level of security, and that's it. So there's no more sewing, but for you guys who like to sew, or if this is just not tight enough for you, they also include more than enough elastic strap for you to sew it on yourself as well. So if you want to double strap it up, you can. Technically it'll be triple strap because you got the one in the back as well. So you can't get no more secure than this. This is like a Fort Knox type wig, you get me? Let's talk about the game-changing HD lace. So the thing you guys need to know about HD lace is that it should come looking ragged. If you get an HD lace that does not have this tearaway part, kind of like the little raggedy little tearaway, chances are that when you go to cut the perimeter of the hairline, it will not look natural. If it cuts straight across or it cuts very angular, you're going to notice it more. So that's why you want to have this kind of fraying going on with your netting. So the thing about HD lace is, although it is very, very seamless when you put it on, it also means it rips very easily. So it's very delicate. The thing that a lot of people will not tell you about HD lace is that it's super freaking delicate. So you have to be actually very careful when applying this wig and then cutting off your lace. But if you do it right, it is worth it. Now, Eva's Wigs lace, it's pretty good. It matches pretty well. Yeah, it still kind of has that light cast. They have like a very taupey tone to their lace, so it's not gonna match me exactly. Like you guys see clearly that line of demarcation. It's a little ashy on me, so I will have to tint it, but I'm okay with that because it's pre-plucked, it's pre-bleached, everything else is done, it's already made into a wig. I am also going to go ahead and dye this hair. I like my hair to look sleek and dark and jet black, so I'm going to go ahead and dye this off camera. I'm only going to add 1 layer of my lace tint to this because I don't think it needs that much to darken it up. And then we're going to come back on camera and actually apply the wig to my head and go ahead. Maybe we'll style it on my head. I never style my wigs on my head, but maybe today's that day. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do this off camera, you guys. You don't really need to see me dyeing the hair or tinting the lace. I have plenty of videos on that. So yeah, I'm just gonna use the Kiss Tintation Jet Black dye. And I'm gonna come back when the hair is dried and ready to apply to my head. And we're gonna get into the details of the pre-plucked lace front and the HD lace and how to lay it. Okay guys, so we now have the wig placed on my head. I just went ahead and blow dried and did a quick pass with my flat iron. I decided that I didn't really want to curl this unit only because it's only 22 inches. So I didn't think it necessary to put any curls in it. So what I like to do when I'm applying my wig is first and foremost clip all the hair out of my face, and then I like to cut in like 3 or 4 sections. And this just allows it to be a lot easier when you're gluing everything down. It allows you to kind of like move tabs away. The first part I'm gonna glue down, the first part I always glue down is right here in the front. Let's go ahead and clean off your hairline, make sure you don't have any makeup past that point. Alright, once that's done, I'm going to end with the first layer of glue. And I'm going to smooth that out. And once it's clear, you can go ahead and put the second layer on. I'm only going to do 2 layers because I don't want this wig to be on my head for a long period of time. I like to take a rat tail comb and go ahead and press the lace, like right behind the hairline, press the lace onto my head. Point blank period, you don't want your fingers to touch this glue. Alright, so now I'm just going to take my razor and as closely as I can, let's actually bring my mirror closer to me, as closely as I can, I'm going to jaggedly razor off the high def lace. No straight lines, none of that. Now for this I actually need my scissors, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut, and hope I don't cut my ear. Go ahead and cut that off. And I'll go ahead and zoom on this so you guys can see exactly how I do this portion. Make sure my ear pops through. Wow. Alright you guys, I'm just going to take my comb and go through the hair one more time, make sure everything's nice and flat, doing exactly as it should be. Alright you guys, so that is just about it. I did trim off the end so that it's a kind of like a blunt straight cut. I don't really have much to say about this hair except for that this lace is freaking awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and pan in so you guys can see it. Like, that's amazing. It blends effortlessly. I'm actually super impressed, and I'm always impressed. You guys can kind of see my white glue, but I'm always impressed by Eva's wigs. I would say that I wish that this hair had a little bit more density, only because it's a very natural density right now, but I like more glamorous, bigger hair. Even when it's straight, I kind of like just fuller hair. So this hair is a little bit thin for my liking, but as far as the lace, which is the kind of like the key player here, it's freaking amazing. And if you want hair that looks like it's growing straight out of your head, which is what I think they were going for with the density, but if you want hair that looks like it's growing straight out of your head, this is the wig for you, because I cannot get over, I haven't put anything in the part. Maybe I should put a little bit of powder in the part. Nice. The lace is laying so flat to my head, like I almost don't even feel like I have on a wig. It's a little weird for me, like this new sensation of not having on a wig. I didn't do baby hair specifically so you guys can see how flawless this lace is. I need to stop playing in my hair because I just straightened it and put hairspray in it, so I don't want to keep touching it. But it's so sleek and so nice, and I know I haven't been looking at the camera because I've been looking at myself in this mirror, and I am so excited. So that's just about it, you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them below, and I'll have all the details to this wig below as well. I hope that you liked this video. Again, if you guys want to see how I dye my wigs black or how I tint my lace, please refer to my last videos. You can literally just go in and look for those words like Brianna LaRue lace tint, Brianna LaRue black hair dye, and you will see exactly the process in which I did it. Okay guys, so I'm actually back, and it is a few days later. So I've had this on my head for about 2.5 days, going on 3 days, and you know, it's still the same glue. It's this same 2 layers of glue, and she's been trucking. You can kind of see like where I didn't, like right here, starting to lift out where I didn't like put a lot of glue and things like that. So just keep that in mind, that when you don't do like the 3 and 4 layers of glue, it usually doesn't last a ton of time. It will not last a whole week. So if you're okay with that and you are okay with taking your wig off after about like the weekend, which is what I'm going to do after I stop filming, you're good to go. But I just popped back in to compare this to one of my older wigs from Eva Wigs, one of their older lace wigs. If you guys remember my Beyonce video, if you guys remember my Beyonce dye video, and then you remember this wig, it has been through the ringer, so she isn't the like the lace isn't clean. she's not looking very good, but again, I could co-wash her and she'd be good to go. But again, I just throw my wigs in the Ziploc bags and throw them in the corner, and that's how I take care of my wigs. Until I'm ready to wear them again, then I wash and co-wash and do all the good stuff, and they look refreshed. But I'm not ready to wear her again just yet. So she is looking a little rough from a couple weeks ago. But we're just going to compare the lace. We're going to compare their old version of their lace, which is still very good lace. You guys saw it in the video a couple months back that it's still very, very good lace. It's just not their HD lace. So we want to see how far they've come. So I'm just going to zoom you guys in, and we are going to take a look at what this lace looks like. If you guys remember my Beyonce dye video, then you remember this wig. It has been through the ringer, so she isn't the like the lace isn't clean. she's not looking very good, but again, I could co-wash her and she'd be good to go. But again, I just throw my wigs in the Ziploc bags and throw them in the corner, and that's how I take care of my wigs. Until I'm ready to wear them again, then I wash and co-wash and do all the good stuff, and they look refreshed. But I'm not ready to wear her again just yet. So she is looking a little rough from a couple weeks ago. But we're just going to compare the lace. We're going to compare their old version of their lace, which is still very good lace. You guys saw it in the video a couple months back that it's still very, very good lace. It's just not their HD lace. So we want to see how far they've come. So I'm just going to zoom you guys in, and we are going to take a look at what this lace looks like. Alright, so I have you guys nice and close. You're all up in my business. You're all up in my pores. And I'm just going to show you this lace. I'm going to show you it really up close. Now this is what we call HD. Now I'm going to pull that back so you can see that this, let's see, that this is lace. You see that? And then we put it down. That's why I cut this little portion in, because at first I didn't have any baby hair, but I cut it so that I can flip that little tab up and down. Okay. Just so you guys can see, I'm just going to cut off the extra lace around the perimeter that I keep on my hair sometimes. So you guys saw me cut that. And we're going to compare that on my head. So we actually have like an even comparison. So this is their old school lace, which is still very good. It still matches me. It's still matching, but you can see up close and personal. You can see it's still lace. Their HD lace, freaking undetectable. Can you guys see that? So this is their old lace, and here is their HD lace. I hope you guys get I'm doing so much for this video. I hope you guys have an idea of like the difference. And I'm sorry I'm like tripping about this, but I literally have a piece of lace hanging from my head for you guys. Tell me that's not love. Tell me that's not dedication. Anyway, you guys get it. This is stupid. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Lots and lots of love. Thank you guys for supporting me like you always do. Yeah, let me know what you would like to see next in the comments. Again, thank you guys for hanging in there. I hope you really appreciate it, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Whoa, let's back up. Let's get you out of here. All right, love you guys.